Miamano mwancho murigeria Ogetembe TV asoko gendera kobana intwegaiga ase ejumeiga emesa yekiunga chinsa ibere ensemo yenkwana ya Getembe tuchikonga batogo sangano mugenito ase studio una nachika gokomanya bori tangani mo director ne kuru ase studio akobira komanyinga twasoira sense media Facebook na YouTube live na boigo na bago tubwadere kuru ase chinka chaba ase TV number yes studio no iragwa ase screen yago tochigo sango botko bwarero no mwishimo Vincent Benecha kuru ase ward area kyabonyoro county ya Nyamira anyara ko bagago tumanya manga yoga ndote kwa neki wakuru ase nseme yo in as much as amagendro ale concern na boigo borai boge siasa buna boge ndrete ase studio. Karibu sana mheshimiwa Benecha itiganko edi bage kamera yoga na buko mokwani mugusi tutarachake nkwana itobo tko bwarero
mbiamona sana muralia seria tangoro ku Thomas Vincent Benecha njino mwa MC we wodi ya Kiawero ali Nyamira County morogo baya bono nte ko irali bageri gukwania abantu be family ane muminone na abana bane yakabirengo kwania abantu bakiawonyoro wodi gima abantu baminda sumwabeta abagusi baito banyamira county na Kisii county na wali bale diaspora na gira se studio egara tuerere make ase morogo baya bono mbiamono
Mbiamono sana karibu mheshimiwa Sense tunendangani toko gutwara se ensemo yo murubiri tubenkwana ya Getembe so far so good ngakia abantu bakyabonyoro bagendrete
abantu bakyabonyoro mbiyabare no nyama konkale make se atari kubura una lero litugolia chuma tu atari binyoro gweta tu reri siria abantu bari batamakon na bange mbasirete lakini bali tole buyankora nginga ya saina tuanjete kuja kumubaka butambe.
Karibu sana bono tigato ase nkwana yeito ya rero yo gutaka kumanya amange kuru ase county ya Nyamira of course taraso aso kurigeria raganda ase assembly ya county ya Nyamira rituko rya rero omuriki we kyamakeri ya Jubilee nwarenga ase county ya ino ya Nyamira timete kusenkwanya alteri bagario kwarigani kwa gari ne batori mu bwatani kurende asoko mwendo se mheshimiwa Matiang'i kyama ya Jubilee no kenga ase county ya Nyamira eyo message ki atomire gochi ase abanyamira especially abantu bago kuru ase nsemo ya kyabanyoro omoskekio ne oyo tenete party ya Jubilee na icha Nyamira lero banyora delegates ba Jubilee mtu achikire lakini asenje shughuli mbalimbali nkora ngenga bange ntandati ali ase assembly ya Nyamira party ya Jubilee ne wataba MCA babere MCA Charles Kegando Busamaro na boigo nominated MCA Michelle Umoyo na wale ase assembly kuna abawakilishi ba Jubilee mbato chigete nkora nkona twarengo rakirenda shughuli ndokera ntia bande twamukaribisha ndwe bwensi yogocha ase semo ya siasa kwendo sia moskematiang sinoda te what problem na wotorojenga trochire ne matiang na wate pati ya UPA wa somo ga banagoro na wa MCA gete bakeni Nyamira na Kisii rakirende konumunika nkwarenge nga UPA yere pati ye Kenyoro Village bono aende National Party na bali ba Jubilee asobwango bakamukaribisha made Jubilee na area ire ase moske mu president omukoro moske Uhuru Kenyatta na momanyete Kenya ne maite nga Uhuru Kenyatta is a friend to Matiang'i maganga kikeweka we shall go into that politics torlena kitoka. Thank you so much ntuchiko nyari bagatocha sense mabono ye ward ya kyabonyoro turigereria nga kyo bakorari bwago sofa emyaka ngebere ne metyenyiga yerere na rari wikirane konde tigatoraswa aso kurigeria kungusana ko gendreta ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira tocha kire recently murikito kuru ase chinsema chinare gane robot and we could see you koko kwandra se gati aba waziri mwa monyokiriti maite ose mwa basere te ose mwa ba tometase ba wenta kobera angachi wizara ngesa to gamwa sigete chobisi could you tell mwancho murigeria na boigo bari kuru ase county Nyamira manye ase kyaba waziri aba mwa baruseti ase magacho ye bunge ntedengo ile maiga ke akero twajagete devolution in Kenya 2013 transition authority nere ya rengoro nebintu biri byansu bya belonging to the county council the county council yenga Kiria na town councils we are about the county government in the transition authority area ebintu mbere byarenge Nyamira garia byarenge ase county council yare gokorera town council yare gokorera ebikao byabo ase na barabo barenge oso abunge
ne bintu binde byarenga se premise yeli no buri muburia ne bwachete uchi assembly na boigo alias mo DC arekobera ekaewa ensemo gitenke ekaewa se executive korwelio kibasa cyabekirwe assembly erose bintu byabo na executive erose bintu byabo mwinyorete building nere kwa Chinyamira ya ile myaka mengi sana yarenge ko bachiwa bisi executive mugabana urire ngora kunyagacha alianga na wamba wasiri baye bakobera no mbona so mugabana ale igakomboete tale so kombo aga etwe no modisi oyo bono igore county commissioner igo bago share the same building na ndito ko buri mugabana nga chibasa chikobe ku che budget tiga chiende chaga che building yelchier ya kiro mwaga ya bere ko be ko myaka mengi tera era wakabona yendo yakabere ini 2015 ekare bintu byara ko baganwa there was a gazette notice ya gazette tie ebunge a building nere gali yarenge yagachire yarenge FYM building ilia ebunge gachikanya gacha kamyemente igoro kaba jobs chirchabon executive kaira part kabeka jobs se gentleman agreement kabeka jobs chichi minister in Kororo na ende senjo wate asande bakabeka bakena ende gali ase ba magachalia county commissioner na ende igo service board ya kombo irwe nyumba iga alime ya complex ne jobs chinde chikabera ro jobs chinde chikabera ase public works ya renge jobs mnechi ya transport roads and disaster management kurwelio budget into ito Doctors Plus executive kagacha minister ya health ne obviously ayengi mekanganya go Doctors Plus bono naba na warabwo okogani kwabeire assembly bono igatebuga ati obviously department for example muralienje no chairman ya roads na transport in Nyamira county lakini timbu ati obviously ngokorere gas mo MC tayo bwato obviously ora enda ali akera rure prena liga ali ikaranse maybe no muntu ro jakomora kuri wode ya chamora
none bikaro bye chi committee ngai moko karra moko komboase
to komboase kasi wako una tuajire Kisumu tuajire Kirase lakini ndo bwata small room kwa boardroom mostly bikaro bye chi committee no bikobera lakini hiyo tali huya because assembly ne bwate building yae na inde kira chi department jiranga 20 kira department yese kwa office ali sama gajo assembly toko ba comfortable so nto basere tia sobobe nto ba te notes toka batebia bono through the clerk to the one end of this chain na ndu gandu te go occupy just like you a landlord ne tenant toka bateba ende as executive muino na ndu to tigana na office so gare notes ya era upset toka batende soka toka sieka igo ndo basere tia sobobe we also need their services lakini ndu abana njimba the services kurwa store na ndu the offices
toko kora kurwa asengane yo what do you think kurwa senseme no na ba MCA na bali mogo kora legislation na bali mogo orosia a budget ngikegarete asechia bisi chiga chibwente gutwaro na executive chitaraikira na buna eme kwa kwanda project nega ya bwente kwa gacho ya beire igeka etari guikira ni guya kachiri na bana baro banyore chia bisi chiabo baru asensemo ye inubuni assembly
umurari goruna jibeta assembly twagore jipache tibere ne ya gatate uchikocha njina rode jibes chikubekerwa enyomberia ere lakini yegendo gera tetara era we don't know there is even an audit query but when the answer in the senate why nyombe yetanya kwera is multi-year project ya korwe miaka mengi koru 2013 Nyamira is the only county tabuga ati obviously chia ya gachire chi county chile cha gaje chi obviously almost immediately so we don't understand why umugabana are slow to implement this
asense me no na aba MCA mubwate role yoko kora oversight maybe mwatemire ko put into question bali bago usika sense me ngi makomanya what is the process ngi go delay and what should be done kwa nekenge sense me inkrend
umugabana na obviously chia executive wengi ma igere quick to void means to change the plans ibale quick to void the projects to abeke project yese budget kwa nyarwa change chiba se cha kore ndeke now. So I believe chiba cha bigiro as a building area angabona cha kore offices ngo inyorie liria mutinyo ngo gatano kastaliria Chelsea revolution ya within Kenya. They wanted to occupy the office of the governor because they were questioning that building bona tanya kwa chumba kabona. So in the audit queries Auditor General bachirega ali baburiria maswali aya. So the governor has been to the Senate several times answering the question, the same question, why the building is not complete up to now. So he has the answers, and because we leave him to do his part. Lakini in our oversight ndutu abekire maithekere audit kweli akawa ngore tuere as a committee ya PIAC ikorunga public investment and as a committee egere kole tugaria na intunko ngonye interrogate tole tuatume report to the Senate. So governor yachi once or so we have done it several times and machifu taraba mayari go building taraba aba wasiri abaru situgaria atali asobobe tigabanyorerwe officially na ntonyore gase kolega
mema na soko beke engane bya sengencho mete babira batebanga abawaziri bali basera tikuiko ne mwaba ete notice una kwa tebire kagwa mba ibaru torase obya kurendetaria asobobe na ndetaria soko nekiwa kurwa senate tutara kurwa sensemo ye executive ne assembly twarorere abakori emiremo be county ane mona kurwa se bunga se okorwa bakorri bwa gokorwa kuwakilisha abantu bakyabonyoru bagokora guika neba no kurobekana neba kware kero kware ko bwatuka chinkwa na chago kerege tambo kerege kunganya kwa waziri abega kwane getwe ngwanya tako bagokoboria nseme area executive kurwa muno mu governor ene kibuna abakori emiremo na barabunkonya bare ngeria yabo. What is happening in terms of resources as a serikali ya county ya Nyamira?
Ali assembly yoko bageka kwabere. This is a big topic and you know. Tuanyichagite ko bagekana kwa chagite kale twale ko imbicho mugabana because of magoso twarochi. Lidia twatema ko muimbichi ya first round. Gatubwa tugaisaneka. Tugaja a year after tuga muimbichi. Kule gatubule nusu. Then we accepted and moved on. Lakini yaraga develop wegrash. Bono wali twarenge nseme yemo. Tukanyara tuachira nseme yemo na wali bande bachira nseme yemo. Now tukodia laisinga umuntu gutanga umugabana agendere gukora amagoso no mo speaker. Urenge by then. Mo speaker Okero and we sat together tukajamo abantu 23 tukaweka chikura tukamuimbichi in the house. Now balia babete 12 one side and look about 22 the other side. 23 up verses 11 I'm sorry. Umugabana akababona atuchukia. Asenge njolende alego bwatsia Okero. So kurwelio nalio kubageka kwa betokana. Okero kale siko tu amurusiri ale impeached. Akaenda agachora omonto akamurukunyamura ngana ere clerk. Agataka chisigina jaji chenchiwe in Central Bank yagara nyamura obarane ngana ere clerk akanete assembly. Bali tu alenge the other side to wakana. Clerk na arengoro gago punished because alenge perceived ko what side allow the emotion yegaeta yani yegaeta obisi yae ego chikwimbichi Okero. So karwaji go jenjisi na Central Bank ege songo ngereda wadanga brains and counter brains. We also went there to katenenia chiwa sa chikatenia. So besanchi was at now.
Mheshimiwa tobeke to understand guikira se process yo go change chisigina cha Central Bank a critical process nabo enekire asense moida ye bunge assembly aso wetia such like yo go change that signatures. What transpired katia? Then
that's where the point is. It is illegal to change these signatures. Executive asomo wasiro finance ada ideko e group eliende eibe chibesa chi assembly up to 40 million chialengoro. So this is where the question is. Tekero tuakana governor n'abantu baye babere reluctant ko release chibesa to assembly. Ya ready to mesale tayo. That's why kwa opariga swa ko
no
ninje bunango kwa na MCA for a long time duranya romoshara. Yes.
So ngaki for how long yego chikoba raseng enjo mbali batara akanu mbali babwate chi family mbali babwate mirobiro yoko gandre mirobiro yabo. How long will this take? Na dem process ke went koiru to make things right with the constitution?
I cannot say how long. Lakini ndate ko bori umugabana na office yae. But they cover skilled in even thinking, in even support. Mugabana tabwene tiko egemea upande wowote. Umugabana wene tagotenna gati banya bantu bahitanire mwao umugaka nayo gotenna gati orangiria banda babekam. So how long ire I cannot say today, but I want to tell the governor no muwasiri finance boro robe batiga magana mange. Chibese chisoka abafanyikazi banyore na barabu bachandete. Muna tugukuwa na abafanyikazi mbali insured. Mbabu at health cover. Omo MCA bunanje na MCA bonds. Mbabu at health cover for more than 6 months now from September last which is a requirement by law. Labor laws state clearly that umufanyikazi obwada okomo insure akarale segas. So we are not insured. So kibese chibatake deko oyokoro kunyamora muna acting clerk baru usio mo clerk yorengo okoro kunyari ingi batate ko moera chibese this is a sinister move batate deko chibese
asoko korra kurwa se ensemeyo yango buri mheshimiwa what is the process you could remove a clerk kurwa se BCI by law the board CASIB County Assembly Service Board newe nda ko munyora na magoso emorangerie emori kira allegations wa madai wa staki wa magoso ari ganaiga twara tuli kunyara gas ekero wa myore na magoso omurangeri wa motegerere kero wa motegerere bare the report to the assembly a committee chorwe eligereria magoso ari yego substances the allegations the assembly adopt the report then assembly recommending muklaki ina wenda kurusu. Did this happen?
Nothing has happened of the kind.
Thank you so much. Tikatonya arko batugo skabosio se enkwana yende totaraso ase okoboga kono kugagwe bunge county ya Nyamira. Nkwa mention ngega kero mwari wakachikura choko murusio mo speaker omukoro mheshimiwa Okero mwagete chikura 23 against 11 yes. I think. How was the process? We've had this in court ya tairenga this was tekoriri korenga na nelichiko or na went na stay orders or something. Take us through.
I want to correct you.
Yeah.
Court iteratewa. So first the process started by suspending Okero from the city of Yobo speaker. Karto mo suspendi akaminyoka court. Kiraminyoka court inga idisirigo to suspend him. A court of course kamwa conservatory orders. Irana. Onya colleagues until the case is hard. Up to now the case has not been hard. Ekera conservatory orders to planning about notary the suspension yari. To plan we impeach him. To kamurangeria in the motion to a drafted to kamusomera magoma stakai. He came. The coming ekero wanchiru wachire kwa the conservatory orders wachire to the assembly we defend. Are you not in the assembly? Was a wachire assembly we defend. Ekero we defend is satisfactory kwa imbichi. So the conservatory orders elapsed at that point. So tokamu imbichi akaenda court go protesting he was not properly impeached. Maybe the process. The case is in court. It has not been heard. It was gazetted in the Kenya Gazette. Okero imbichi. The Gazette stands. Nobody has ever contested. Gazette notes number fulani. Nja renge buya. So ekinangere court. Ne Gazette notes inero yagotewa is impeached. Now igakoganya ekina kerikere court kere. Una kera rule then we can comply. So far kinangera rule. We people the two parties, that is the assembly and Okero, submission was ekina na kieke kia referred to labor court in Kisumu from Nyamira. So labor court there are digital kichoka tere kineke. So kitara tegererwa so far ekero murali. Uratoro mundo kukulisa lichombe buo. Omo butese ngenjako akoenda getio nywera mabero gosogonka. Gosogonia mabere ataka kwa mubute. Ochire aende somo tureti. Gosaende court in this case. muture tina motenga bono ira no nyago kolegas igago mateito to kito kunya gotegera bona agenda bu otimoke ekina kia oninje ndangeri oria to korege to tegera so okero na bwate kina igarenka tigaga yekina turangeri gutoteba magoso twa murusiriti na a process of question if it was not right talk about directed inga okero ta ruseti ubuya then the court can rule inga kieko whether it is compensation or kumuirani yeah so far itara muirani okero stands impeached and there is a person and grantor in the assembly
hono ase ensemo yo mheshimiwa Thaddeus Nyabaro yumwachorete no speaker ngakia go act capacity ya the Speaker of the County Assembly was a acting speaker. I think in Jotara resign, and as far as I know, Korwa Sekergo Kia na MCA.
I want to correct you. Magana yo resign. Nyawaro does not resign to me or through you. There is a procedure. He resigns through the clerk of the assembly. That's obvious. So the clerk of the assembly that Nyawaro resigned. So Nyawaro was elected as a speaker. And the process was, you resign, then you get elected. So far, I got to elect, waliba kaenda koti. Karawa enda koti, ruling yekaba, not a ruling, it's an order. Meanwhile, kero impeachment, kera tegererwa, one Nyawaro, you stop acting like the speaker. So you don't take the position of the speaker. Nyawaro complied. Today they go in contempt of court. So noare tarigo active ne speaker. Omondo wano korai vikao via assembly no mosike James Matinga omo deputy speaker we county assembly ya Nyamira. Yeah.
Ago kwa tobekire buya narenta nyarete ko bagin ko ya manya ncheboro ningendrete ko ya bwata andi mbiyo mna soko endra ko toera saiga tika bono tosuke busio tonyara ko batoko kwandra kirai kage endrete ebina se court enaro tete ko irani gwabisi naro teneni gwaraganye ndubwate chibunge ibere bono. I don't think it's right ko tawe kwa sengencho in as much as we know ni ibere chire make us understand ko bayo mwanchu murigeria na no Munyamira ndubwate bunge ye county assembly ndubwate bunge mashinani. What is the difference na ande effect ke chichons chikoleta aso mwananchu kawaida eroga netia magendro utayeto bokoreri
nyirane ririswali eri abantu bakia wanyo rwanjolete mamo mintaro na wangina wande tato mintaro na wangina wande abantu ba minto bonsu baro na wangina wande ikara wanjolete ngai ba maetengo na karansops.
Of course aba MCA bonsi ase bunge ye county bago takero ase bunge ye county
ese bunge ye county there was a assessment ye county headquarters. Everybody in Kenya knows where the county headquarters is. The law states clearly that if you want to do your sittings outside the presence of the assembly, a mokorete motion in the house. That is the County Government Act. Says a mokorete motion in the house, ever supported by 2/3 of the members of the assembly. Ngankwenda tole mashinani committee ya wananchi.
Wicho mo speaker mokoro enokokera gote baya etetigwe ase serikali
amwe. In 2013, around 2015 ekero bunge ntangani ya devolution umo speaker Nyamoko no arengo yo wano romo chumbo no tumugram mba eteti ba ene mashinani ikaro ba eteti ba ene mashinani eya arenge sechule ya moyoka chitalikie chinechi nto ene mashinani tumiti wananchi paga etia chitalikie echo e budget ekawe ku for the same. What does it tell you? The sechule elapsed inja era trend. So again ekero bunge nyeko iguru omo governor within 14 days are required to gazette a bunge ye county sewe karansa. So omo governor munacho ruga within 14 days igako gazette where the bunge igo 2013 njaga gazetted 2017 it was gazetted again. Say governor gazette is bawo karansa governor gacha akarua his speech opening speech from the assembly of Nyamira as a gazetted. 2022 when we came in Governor Nyaribo aka gazette within 14 days. That's the requirement. Ogasete as chiobisi chia bunge chikobera na executive igoncha bata gazetted. Governor Nyaribo came and addressed the people from the assembly ya Nyamira. Wono tell me now igalero abantu bakia banyo ruwangi gunde magwawo abantu bakia banyo ruwangi gunde Keroka rigoma nintoke kingorekana no mutumia bunge mashinani has not been authorized by a motion from the assembly. Process theo ya gasetiri bunge mashinani from the assembly. Two, the ndokera maybe technically mo maiki toire nga bunge mashinani ya lengo almost kokero ngwa moiwete in December aka seba tawani vikao vya lengo and tole recess aga adjourn bunge what we call sinidai. When you look at what sinidai means is adjourning indefinitely. When you adjourn indefinitely toma yetegera ucha koirana Keroka kwa mwa koirana you must gazette this to go koirana na say venue which they did not bakaenda choose and this an illegality area na sana bakaenda choose as a gazette no Kenya Gazette the government printers bakaibe gazette ere fake gazette notes bakangaina linga batangasire.
What do you mean mheshimiwa bakaibe Kenya Gazette no
munanda imokega ntangase gento ndike Kenya Gazette number fulani kumbe ga alimba igetime konya ibintu bya kanu ibintu bya Nyamira mbiri ko bagasete for now because chibunge mina bakaenda bakamabadanga bayigoire bunge tuwajete kuvuga ati we have the letter from Kenya Gazette egotebanga Gazette notes yeyo eyu enambe yo babegetere 10 I just forgot the number eyote igo yatangasete omukungu muboraka otangasete obore mubwo mugakoye korukiambu Kikuyu bone Gazette ye bayibete namba baga fake munanero bayigora bunge mashinani tuabwadiri tuanyorre ilikuwa fake. In fact these people are supposed to be arrested by using or forging documents.
So whatever kero va dijoneti they were to do a Gazette notice.
Yes.
Yes. So do you mean a Gazette notice according to chinkwana chawa that authenticated ego
we wrote to government printer aka reply like Kenya Gazette number ya mwaboria yegetangasite bintu bya Kiambu como kungu Gazette bintu bya property yo musacho in Kiambu. So that means ye babugate ga gotanga munge mashinani sinati. And in fact, I don't want to discuss about it more because it's a subject of investigation from investigative agencies.
But what do you think, Mheshimiwa? Kerogo tuare bikarabuna biri, they have everything. Mbabwate MS, the elected leaders, mbabwate clerk. How does that tell you?
Umuralia. Kwanya MS.
Of course, if you can be able to be very quick, what MS or so we don't know.
That's Erine Bawe, Chile Yegeta. We don't know to get them. So, correct, don't do anything in MS. MS come to Nyamira County Assembly, Oligari MS and already to 40. The MS we have in the assembly as a serial number is serialized in Kenya, and it is gazetted in that serial number. But MS, yeah, assembly, Yeko just Tokoroka Airmari, just like a firearm. Na endo muntu custodian ye MS is the chief sergeant at arm according to the law. Bone ya bone ngo chief sergeant at arm ngai bako yekache. Nene yeko achumwa momondo.
Tianko bodi bodi ne kato chikokora kurwa sense meyo by law do you think it's okay kero serious sittings bune chiga chigo kolekana as a for example ikarege tanga nikiense media bunge mashinani byakorekana ta service yo mu MC we woderi ya magwagwa. How does that contradict asenge nchere na chore ko wakitisha abantu bensema ya with all rights kirebi karabiri byokorekana service ya gazetted by maybe a privilege ya by law to area area. Do you think it's right kerogo stie bikaro very contrary to what you should be doing?
I think by the use of the word contrary by you means it is contrary to the law. It is not right. Bunge yego ikaransa sale non asare gasete na ndege mbegene ngira. According to the law, bunge can only move to urban areas. In Nyamira we have two municipalities, Nyamira town na Keroka. So the only place bunge ikaransa in Nyamira county is two, Nyamira town or Keroka. because they are municipalities. And the law says, according to the County Government Act, you move to an urban area karamogo chiko kore vikare. Na ende karamu aitiri emotion, resolution of the house.
Manchu murigera nkore ngino gasa ine gutegerera chinkwane chio chumeshimwa Benacha omo MCV ward area ya Kiabonyoro. One of our senior reporters korwa se county ya Nyamira akomboria nkoboria ngaki mwabekire emeroberio yobokoreria se bunge ino koenekia the making of the budget ya physical year 2025-2026 ase bunge ya county ya Nyamira asengenjako manyinga kurwa sense milia hivi karo vya bunge mashinani barabu already bachakire process. I don't know how will that go, never nenseme executive okay mugo submit bonsi asengenja bono ne chibunge nibere ne diego chikotumeka, but as that is going on SMO ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira a process ye make budget making ya chakire ngaki egendred
ebunge ya Nyamira ye wada chi committee mbali kwa bori yage usikane na committee ya budget omo chairman we committee ya budget omo schedule kyo yage masira omo MC we ward ya township bunge mashinani we don't know whether they have a committee for the budget. Two ndede uko beka bia aba MC wale nseme mo 15 of them are elected out of 19 Valencia mayem igombarenga Valencia meli ya mashinani bane elected bachoiniri na nominated MCS nominated umuralia njino mu MC okiabonyoro ingobwenda kuwakilisha abantu bakiabonyoro is it a nominated MCA or the elected MCA? It is me, the elected MCA. A county fiscal strategy paper CFSP county fiscal strategy paper is where toko and atuate amagendero ye county agochikova in the coming budget. Amagendero ye ward ya Kiabonyoro, epara ya Kiabonyoro, amacha Kiabonyoro, inyegetari ya Kiabonyoro, skuru ya Kiabonyoro ya isid. Ningo bwenda kwenye kuana. It is me. Let me tell you. Our balance me lead the 11 are nominated MCS plus 3 elected MCS. So who is supposed to let amagendero ye count is the elected the 15. So it is upon the governor and the Department of Finance to choose where to work from. Otherwise, the document they are doing in Mashinani is illegal because it lacks the threshold. It lacks the mandate. It lacks the numbers. Because 11 against 22. Amagendera inko andaling the same. So oyo nominated MCA ogokwanira amagendera Kiabonyoro ogokwanira amagendera yechi ward chine ingo moide that mandate. So abangina abadigamba tenga tigabeske na barabo batuare nsemo ya oba koromuna nominated. Onyo muntu obete nominated as a woman representative or in the place of youth or in the place of the vulnerable. It is not the place of vulnerable in one ward or in nini. Oyino mondore accounting meratene nerebirema eratene nerabanyina eratene not going down to the fiscal strategy paper. Otherwise this document will be null because the courts will nullify it. And when the courts will nullify it abanyamira na wako mia. Yes.
Asoko kore nkwarega rinde tochiko so ase word ya Kiabonyoro. I want to hear it from you because it's kind of interesting. Abaiga gwate abara sense meiga ebikaro kero bigendreta sense mu bunge ngocha bali nande bacha se because they are also allowed ko ikaransa se bikaro bye bunge nyana ngocha bali
some of them baraba chanja bakonga ino kero nga tuko pamoja baga hata ibikaro bya bunge kawaida barasi umelige kamera elia ya bamureka babarua bamagutamaguchia. So as we talk they know and they know the fact that assembly ya Nyamira igere in the assembly ekwense kwenda kabera ibagonya gutanga bunge mashinani that is interest of somebody na no kongaino wagongaino. Finally they come to the realization that ba endre wrong lero na renge Kiabonyoro amatanga mbali inabori abananchi a kind of public participation inga imota getembera muno mwa MCA Kiabonyoro mbunge mashinani gose mbunge eri mwanjora tengene abantu bonspin union agreed that I must work from the assembly headquarters esinato metogocha na babori nga murangi urendende mawawa bande that is wrong murangi urendende ligoma that's wrong murangi unde manga that's wrong so bunge ngayere Nyamira wananchi wane sipata tembere Nyamira
inakobori go intention mheshimiwa shengen jonto bwate consequences chia bari bara miss some sittings chia bunge na kinata komanyonye because ngwa mention mbare bara
the law says if you meet in 8 consecutive sittings 8 consecutive sittings chibwate kaini speaker ge communicate you are absent ego tome to a committee to koroka powers and privileges discuss your case maybe na waranyore kwa lenga absent maybe of sickness or something like that bako konyora without shida you are pardoned or bako konyora nankwa tigete intentionally bako gotoma bako leta in the house to discuss here how CAT resolution and so and so has been missing intentionally to tome a report to IBC and your seat becomes vacant.
Lakini lengo achika kumentioninga ngoro ikabari bara cha
na keje wako kanyama tuko makega basi umeli liria go jikokeria saba basi umeli so toro jibo chanja mbravo
mwanchu murigeria no mheshimiwa Vincent Benecha korwa sensemeria ye ward ya Kiabonyo twasangira mange sensemega yo bakoreri we bunge ya county yotika toro romo tumoko makega se studio ya kabere tokorana tonyarko batoko sensemo ya magendro mheshimiwa na ndera kwathe agwatare sana nsemo ya Kiabonyo ngora ngichi nkwano bwathe cha bana inchi ne ichi nyinge nabo igamagani ari bakobori no chunya ko bakokwera bande bari otaikera nkaigo ikirio bakoreri na ariaya ubegete gochibosia sengenjo ntotigarete yange nande miaka ebere yo bakoreri bwago uno mwemsi o Kiabonyo gochibosia toskaru mwancho muriga tokorana bado ntochikogendra korigere na echi nkwana chiago asensemo echi comment nabo igama borio tonyarko batoko mobekero mheshimiwa gaiga toskari
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iri abantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwancho murigeria karibu sana twamwiriri bagomo director ito o akandre bills kidogo Gagabono toko gendra sensemo ya kabiri gusangano mugenita se studio mheshimiwa Vincent Benecha omwe-MC we ward area ya Kiabonyo rukurwa se county ya Nyamira maga yo kurigeria mange no kungusano kwa bero kwanekiwa ase bunge ya county yo na boigo kwanekiwa bokoreri twamanyira mange tigabono toskebosio tunyarako batoko so ase e ward ya Kiabonyo rutumanye so far so good nsemo kyanyarako bakago ikirane bokoreri na boigo nararia ya begete ase mirobirio ase engaki ya tigarite ase ya biskaribu sana mheshimiwa sensemo ya kabiri tigatoso ya sensemo ye wodi ya Kiabonyo turaso asa magendro asogo kunira igoro lero kwatarira ase wodi yago na kiabantu reception nga kiyenge na boigo asobo kwaribwa nga kibago te yasinge njungwa sanga lero ye mase ye mona barabu asobunge ase chinsemo cha matanga awo wikirana
murarimbu ya mono naenda soko ngari bagegere manya abantu be wodi yanengi kigendreta naende na inche nkwanira mangana aria na korire no murai kuruna choretu naende narenga kingi ya abantu bwena de kongiwa na inche bamanya na korire gas muraria opinion poll ya soka recently I was ranked number 4 as our MCA ba colleagues. I was again ranked number 1 as our MCA were available. So bali ba gotoka. So lende nje no ngotoka na ngobe ward muna lero no na renga. Ndete kumanyia abana inchi bonse banyamira nga omo MCA tali akoye guchibesa koboko akorera magendero. Ba MCA ndo wensi in Kenya tali akoye guchibesa koboko akorera magendero. Iga agote bunga in this fiscal year to akoire for example in Nyamira to akoye 15 million only. Tali akoye guchibesa agote bunga ro lika magendero a 15 million.
Ariyo tali bagari litangane usari abantu bago bataita korwa se.
Kwa makoye guideline. Onye ne para ye maram e kilomita ya 1 million. Onye ne nsoko korosia ensoke ya 250,000. Onye ne class ya ICD kwa gaje class ya kemo is 3.5 million. Ne binde. Wono is upon you against abuna ki the 15 million in kinda rosi. In my first budget yomurari. Ase chipara. Nkarosie pare korokwa eaka Kerenda Endiva Road. Ye mara mwe karosi ubuyes kabisa paka lero ngo itekere mbiyere. Ngarwa nkarosie para ya mukomoni stage ya mate. Tokuruke stage ya mate. Ekaenda gitaru, ekaenda mboye primary school aliri kori ya makori bikundo. Epare yo is working, is doing well. Ngarwa nkamaram epara ya Nyankongo ekendera ngaro ngamara mwe para yege ntubi korugucha ege ntubi nyabikomu ase budget yes para boigo ase chisemi inkabeka ebirasi vya ICD igari Nyamori primary Nyamori primary ebirasi bibere ngabeke tangi ya maje ne choe bwate mirango 3 Nyamori primary school etokonyeroke unit. It is an ECD unit. According to the county government of Nyamira, tori kubeka class kere stand alone. To kubeka unit yengima. Because to what PP1 na PP2 and to wabekera wana waliama etangi ya maji 5,000 liters and to wabaroselia gachoka abo kando. Na boigo aso mwako yuyu inkaruchi pasare chiarenge 1800 abana 1800 baga benefit na boigo chi scholarship abana 13 baga penalty scholarship ne kerumo account yego somia abana bosa aina samangana yigisen asamangana ye keratu ajete bone kurende ya kabere budget ya kabere
ibono mwako kabero
2023 2024 Iga nyagitari isicha dispensary ngarose staff house. It is now complete, is usable. No nyendura beka manyagitari buya se isicha lakini dirigasi yana kubeka manyagitari negasi ya executive yo mugabana ne department ya lakini njegasi yana kunya kupushinga mutako to abanyagitari. Nyagitari is complete, is working.
Nyamari garo naro
nyagitari yeye umunyagitari bon asebono gagocha once a week. Population wego ukina abanyagitari impamento. So ngoja na mariogo alia make na ndo ukolikera ukolifa to Delfaro Hospital kwa Nyakanyora mariogo. Inkaruo same year financial year nkarosi ECD center Nyabikomu primary school. Unit nero ebirasi bibere netangia machi necho Nyabikomu primary school. I think naende nkabeke birogo ime. So the budget I gave ekabayebo korosi birasi naende gatigara ekabeke birogo ebirogo to bwate 84 nekimesa chiabana bali abake so Nyabikomu primary inkarwonga kunya mache Nyankongo I already above Nyankongo primary school no nyetira jaka gutumeka chibesa to beke in that financial year chaketake epambu na ndo cheto beke financial year ende epambu ebe kuna manta abantu anyora machi
ogo drilling we pump yo kagetarabe
epambu yo getarabe In that financial year ngarosie pare korukwa Kiabonyoru Girls, Ndurumo, Menyenya egaiga Kirima ekona. Ngamagoro ngarosie pare korukwa Mariba Omogute Nyaino Road. The roads are good and they are complete. Chiko kolegas chiri chingi. Abana inchi vensa meyo na wago tupitishanga hiyo waki ilikuwa imefanywa sawa sawa. Asensa moya agriculture ebi ombembire tu aete bichuchu. Tu aete bichuchu biechingoko nechi ne ebi ombe bibere. Alafu tokaba chinchoke eke ombengire tu aete metana etano ye chinchoke inensa moya agriculture. Kina kina proposed na ndemba yetu. Muralia in the financial year ya 2023-2024 ya 2024-2025 I'm sorry twensi buna ba MCA bali bachorire to ikaransa to gateba let us now buy ebiragita diba to kunya kwaji contract chi para ne bintu bintu batarosali ya to gore ebiragita chi machine cheito
chi account
of the 15 million to ayete kire ward to garuzi 12 million times 20 wards, that's 240 million. Umugama na kamenda 60 million from the project cha flagship.
Chikaba 300.
1300. Tukaenda kugore biragita. Tuagorire chigireta ibere, chibrudosa ibere, tuagorire chirora, chiloloda. Tubwate chi machine, ne chi excavator, chiko chin. Tukabeke program. Torosie chipara chi ward Jones. The program is running. So far to akore Nyamaiya ward. Chipara chiranga 20 kilometers. Chi akore rubuyeni Nyamaiya ward. Ebiragita bya soire bumwagama ward na Kiabonyoru ward. Ali bumwagama mbiyendete na Kiabonyoru mbiyendete. Ebiragita those are the 3 wards chekererwe. In the coming about 5 months. Kera ebiragita wenda go about 3 weeks kire ward. In about the coming about 5 months. Eko nyora kire ward yekerwe na magendero yechipara around 20 kilometers akorirwe. I'm the chairman roads and what I'm saying here is very clear to everybody when kwenda Nyamira county ngima baiwe bintu.
On this tutaraska usitogendere physical year 2024-2025 say 15 million kero MCA wenda konyora mwaru seti 12 so MCA onye no yamotebe nayo MCA okyabonyoru iga say 15 ngwatigarite na 3 so make me understand ebiragite ibigendete ko ene kyomurubiro iga say chiwodi echiga on which budget ba ko ene kyago ikirani iga singe nchuchi besa mwabege toro kyagorire biragite already
ntu budget die bakam after asichibese chime am after 1 million nechibesa chia learning course na chiro choncha bege toro charles tu ase biragitambire ti chance tu abege the project yengima ekaira 300 million so ntu abege te nonyene casuals abagwena ta wakanwa bali bakora push clearing ya se para ego chokora so chibese chi budget no yarenge ma so nchi atigare 3 million from the 15 million. I hope you realize this. Ntu abege te project binde abandi bakabeke birasi bya ICT abandi bakabeka machi abandi bakabeka Kiromonte ward ya ebuna abege te nchi ni Kiabonyoru na abege te 1 million ya kana mache arenya bikomo gale ko Kiabonyoru water project ya kana biri ya rengo ya 521,000 ne chinde chikora repair amacha ya orani. I'm sorry to say that trade department bakabona gatera akora procurement ebeke macha into a propose the other projects. I hope they are on their way nchi from the executive umuralia garatu propose ya say budget nje mno MCA yongo twara chinguru chinge ekana propose budget omuntu tigale de wano bakora no mugabara
no implementation side as a executive.
Yes, implementation, yes.
That is a physical year 2024-2025 na bono mugenda to kuyariganya ko ene kebuna 2025-2026 na ngokora mure the same nyore nkwana ya gogocha saba na nchi ba Kiabonyoru of course ngwasangana burero. What do you have for them as a budget yegocha ya 2025-2026 na ria ba gote biribono omwemsie
priority ntangani ase ward omuralia nechi para echito ndete gukora in this fiscal year ya 2024-2025 nacha kirete gurwe para ya biego gali changamuka ngacha biego primary ngarubiego primary ngacha astokoro kakegogi ase kanisa ya Lecho Mariere na ndo tugacoka rocha sakuru kweyaka nyango baibirera ipare nenga chake yekurweyaka etire skuru togoroka chinche esoke nyangoge chipara chine nchiro muraria chikoenderera mbegete se budget ya road maintenance program as this fiscal year ekaro tu akorro mwako yo wana munebira kitabire kia wonyoro na endo mwako gocho gocha komutie nyosta menta mafuta na ene nkola chiro chipara mo toigore chipara nchiro chibwena takoigorwa munabona yemere gali ya tuya nyakwirema yendere nyankongo gali egosoka nyakwirema ne chipara chinde yemonere gali roche gucha nyamukendo roche egosoka egentubi ne chipara chinde chibwena takoigorwa mbeka mafuta chieto toigore chipara so egendo torengere timono nabantu bakiamyo no bagonte bi bataite chipara mo egendo kende kiamo chitikoreka no murakera no bete gusi ngake mbataite amache mo ndete gotebia abananchi bakiabonyoru amache ngocha kobekware for example bono igantu abwate program ya climate change ali kurende ganase kurufloka to bwene de korosia kire word ya kaiwe ros chindoche inyenye water springs chigwera about 1 million so ndoje to nchichake in the coming few days chairwe chi contractor nchichake chiroswe igo abantu bakyabonyoru mbanyora amache nima idenga abantu bakyabonyoru mbate nyageta chingi yamba de binte binge ne school ya zili na boy gomba de to botaka bwa bere mbate de chipasari ense moye chipasari ronde de goteba iga control au pache tumo swati olio seito nyakango na ile kina koti agateba chi county government nchikora chipasari njiru chipasari so kina kigitene nete chipasari chitarasoka igo chipasari aso mwako yo baka bono rero njirasoka na nenda itaba na nji baba baremereria na ende kina kira abwe chi county government igo ntori gocho soka chipasari chigo tigarera abachumbe National Assembly muna wono seito mbrabu musikosero nero raga godi ni chipasari ega sienenda chigokora nere inatebe ya match ni chiparabu ya na ende nimbe gebirasi bike chiskuru njira nyora ICD classes chance mbi bolete chibesa chigotoka still do gebirasi vya ICD ese chiskuru chibolete nkenke umuraria ese education ina bete mo chairman of education ni myake bere ya intararu rongiche roads we managed in my time kulikaba alimu gwetani 600 in fact waligira bali munyemira account gwetani 600 bale permanent and pensionable ini kiabonyo reward akaraji ward jindi chari gete 2020 because I was the chairman. I'm sorry to leak this inanya tama bagaka ba 68 abali mu baito ba ICD bale in the ward ya kiabonyo road permanent and pensionable 68 chiskuru to bugate around 25 chi primary school na kile school ne bugate at least umwalimu ole permanent yeah
that is good gobono abantu bakyabonyo they should expect more kurwase ore nabo kurwase obokori bwa kubimya keiga tigarete asensemeyo ya kyabonyo katoka natego sango mheshimiwa soko chikokorera tigana enkweli bagora nyarko bagoko boka sengencho this affects never kere national government lengo affect irego chane ba serikali chechi county nebe ward yago kubwatira nankororo gwachirwe serikali yobomo ngakiura beke nkwane agororo will this now solve the issue yokwane ke una chinse mo chonse konya chira magendro ngotora toro burai bwage siasa bubwato bwanchani no kubwatira na gochibosyo kero mheshimiwa William Ruto no mheshimiwa Raila Odinga ba mwire go chama nkoro ko boka serikali yobomo muraria nganjire ngoira ni maiga sinini egendo ngere ne ba kyali very important kero twali koira ne igoro ya assembly ya Nyamira ekinangire kya rule tuugoro ase Nyamira low courts ekina kelia egia contrafinity ekina kende kia gambua Nairobi on Thursday Mlimani low courts ekodi ya Mlimani ekarua eodanga CPK Central Bank of Kenya te basago change kende yons Kenya Nyamira tote tigabira remain on the status quo omoloyo CPK no arenge omoloyo itokorwe side no arenge na korwe side yokero na arenge mbalengoro so ekere kineke kia orders chikaroji kana Central Bank then 2 days later Nyamire kabeka the similar case ngoge to muske Steve Mogako batebanga to kobeki kina kibwikaine kende ekoti obeke chikoti bere tofauti ekina keli kwenda kwa tu pamoja kwanza so a mistake happened. Central Bank was not served
bono Central Bank cannot honor orders etarenge served. So mo swati ori jetindi lawyer but she erred and we have also challenged it. Igo mondo tara takanga chisignature chichange Central Bank chichiko ibachibesa che counter assembly chiregari until tuwaigwana nirenga chibese chiproba ngogo chirusi because kero moraka kana bangaini mole na nabo konyara abandi barabangeni kwagwa. Now in the national government demoske I'm very happy in chenomo chumbone Omoske Patrick Osero. We work together. Etuanja ine. Inche no mo MC na ajore tu se pati ya ODM. No mo chumba one mo burabu ajore tu na ODM. Nduba to kuiwana gatia nenere buna mwanya wanto nende to korega pamoja. Ekero Omoske Osero arosie pachet ina musabete ngaji para chakia wonyo. Kora anje chirichi tenenere na kera cha sali kire sana. Uta wanja kero kuba gachi para to bagere na into. Ase chipara etu nane akabeka kiawo nyo chipara inya one word akamagobeka kire word yende yeme that means that ko mwakera buya because to kubwatira na kimagendera agera na inda acha kolonji chipara chiko chaka kolemwa I was with him ngamukaribisha kiawo nyo tukarangiria abantu tukakuona mangana nere chipara chika chaka inata arare para yeme gorukwa gucha nyankongo kegogi inata are pare nde korukwa nyankongo ekendera amatiega inaide pare nde korukwa gucha nyabikomu nyaramba nabo ige para ya rosigugaria ya gucha nyageita viongozi nanyo ranga chipare cha korirwe cha ndere gokorwa ebiragita no bire as I speak na ndende ko irani yomo iskose rongambiye mono haso kunyora chipara inye in kiabonyoro lakini ndura isaneka chipara ja kiabonyoro chire bitrimbo ko chiko era bwango Moscow zero ko nyora kende ngetigarite e para nere garia korwa gucha nyakwerema yatira baka guchikegogi esaregete na etoro na ndeka na enda matanga raria asomo nginasirete no muchukoro ya basirete ba ko ene gurimo na ina endoro pole asiji family chiri na ende na range pare yo kartuanye tegerembe so Moscow zero na kwira ni ribuya se magendra ucha kiabonyoro lakini kiabonyoro nebwate ni shiremo koranche nya consider mono ase amagendro no ene chipasa lie jogorwa Moscow sere skimu imbenya arete kidogo kwa ina ligocha abana bakia abanyoro bali mashambani mba sari kuchizukuru so Moscow sere na musabire na ndonye ga ntegerete na ndeka ndigireti akonye kia abanyoro mo ebi nyorombire ni kia abanyoro akema buna nyanchoka stimateyo skuru teyo esa abrocation yingi metabuga ati skuru stimateyo macheteyo esa abrocation yero musunteme asomo gambicara nako gamba nechi sa abrocation chine binyorombira ali kenyorobu kia nyansaga kenyorobu ne kia gucha ebinyoro binge bune kia makura garia nitabuga ati stima biro musunteme mpaka bana ebi nebinde nakwana bire ese docket yo Moscow sir
yo kurukura sense ya national government
kurukura sense ya national nero connect national government issues naba gambi ingo mubuli ngakago consider urigereria asebuna na inche nkoera ntule nere oboera ni bwana nere burobuya na nega kombori nganga kinge ni gendongira ya nganga yoro chito kebeka na inche na bongunya ko director sa bantu bwa toboko
and of course unakuwa mention asengencho mwensine kia magia ODM mokurwa naro rio leo MC ore kia maybe kia UDA omujumbe no ODM boso mujumbe no UDA MC no ODM okobwatira no kwekana ko boli ko mheshimiwa William Ruto no mheshimiwa Raila Odinga ngakoroche guchiposika iga ngochikorenta okwanike magendro bunayo
nche muna bono ndega nchole ne party ya ODM tinda atigana na baba na endo kubwatira na kwa na serikali of course yo morembe no borro na nda serikali na birasa okorega asibia etukubahenga kikurubono waka 2027 ingara we are not in a political period te bakorega asibuna baunganete toje ko bachachi bokanga elikorumungana na limu atoibeire mono kusena limu atokonyire mono so asebono naunga mkono wacha waendelee kufanya kazi lakini rende nationally kadogo kwa na mbia toteba ni umane gusitwa chachi umorero nga ngosokitoro mu muroito nje bono ningo nimbare na bagusi gose sitogo te bangochia ngochia igo ingaki igegoika toteba ni buya lakini asebono ndoje ngatiga tobae chingaki gosembaderive abakenya baumire sana pati ya Laira n'abantu bari baende serikali totebeng'ana bako keep watch ebinto mbisareka mono gere tonyorenje ebinto bisaregete Kenya no bimaite nebingi
memono mwishimwa tikabana nkoeribaga okurwe nkwana yago yomwerio gochiase abananchi ba county ya Nyamira especially kurwase ward yago ya Kiabanyoro asogokorra obotuko bwarero
ntete kobeko kubori kwana gochiase abarai ba Nyamira ogwatanene kugukwarorekanine chi assembly chiko baibere in Kenya county te yebwate chi assembly ibe tigaturigereri buna barai tochamo tokoregasi ngobori omugabana atekite center stage abeka abantamo nero mugaka bwe county abeka abantamo ebintu bigendere sawa sawa asa abanto bitu be county ba ya Nyamira mbiyabona sogo tobwatsi mumanyeta stwekire na ende onde goteba nga mbuya omugabana gwanchirana tokabeka kibesa amo tokagore biragita bikorera abananchi gasi ndo jenye nchira birakore gasi no ke ngora omugabana gabuntu akorde naende tigatobwatie program eria egere naende tegosalirie to omugabana ase ward ya Kiabanyoro ngo bakiranga mbuya mono abananchi ba Kiabanyoro abana ba minto abatata barona ba mama abana bane na abachukuru bonse mbuya mono asoko ngari bagari okubara nje muno mo MCO ino ninde tayari okorega asuna mogondebi na ende ndete monge time monge libaga munense mo yechi pare arongo kurande na nengo enda chire sawa sawa ne bintu binde kulingana muna bigosoka kurwa se serikali talibia nenkoreta igo nkoreta biritoko ewo nimbibeke na ende mbi distribute kire nsemo tokole richo no balance kire ward ya Kiabanyoro is the biggest ward nene kabisa se je county ya Nyamira ebintu toko ewe birengaine in Kenya toko Equity bono ward ya nkene ward ya nene jigo ewe bintu birengaine so na wonda abete nyore bintu biwe kana chi ward chinde because ward ya iterana lakini ya wananchi kimora anga time nje Vincent Obenecha na waimanye tenga ninkolega asengia na ende round yende inko baboria na omoko nyore sababu yo kongira nikiera na wonyiwe tenga minyo kege tigo etani kabere ima ko era liegete na nen kera liko chimuto
kirba go choko makia matemanda ke banyora
chitiki chiane mbuyechi
bia mono mheshimiwa Thomas Vincent Benecha asogora chinga kichagu ikase chi studio chito chage tembe na ndemona sumuru birubu nkwana kwa nyara kopako gotosemia mange nkorengi unenje na manyire amanga yuaga ndreta se bunge ye county ya Nyamira ntamanyete thank you so much nande ngakiende kora toke of course ngo wakira mbe ngwate ba you are one of the available members of the county assembly. It's true asenga chirani it was only a phone call away nande kwa nyara kopako gwikira na thank you so much mwancho murigeria na ye toko gwakira mbuya mono asokwira chinga kichago gosangana intwe kurutwa chagete wikira boniga uyo no mushimwa kure wadi ya Kiabanyoro oresira mange nkorengi naye kwa nyorro bosemi gagwe wikana ndi jumende tonyara ko batoko tware nkwana ya getembe ho kurumega ichi kamera ho yonkonya kwa nike chibi chango ya chirebu yako kwa Lucas Mugaka mo director ne kure studio ya Kabere Avila Kariri toto ikomweria senkwana ya getembe to skare gekoroga chinsa inye kwera nanda semesa yekiunga tonyara ko batoko rigeria nsemo ya mangana mayenche nkoro kwa Clinton ndike botko